Good morning, Shackley family. I have some very exciting news for you. Roger Barnett, our CEO, has purchased an entire multi-level marketing company called Modere and their product line, which is a fabulous addition to our already wonderful products because they are focusing on a product called Liquid BioCell. Here is what I have purchased for myself. It's called Beauty, and it's about healthier skin care and skin, hair, and nails, and joint lubrication and cardiovascular health. And basically, it's an anti-aging, helpful product. This Beauty one, and then there's also one called Life, and another one. There's three of these Modere Liquid BioCell products. And I am excited for you to try them. They can be found on the Shackley website. Just go to myhihohealth.com and you will see something at the top called MODERE, Modere. Now, you all know that Shackley's compensation plan and multi-level marketing process is one of the most stable and honest and well thought out programs in the whole industry. We have continually gotten awards for the way our company runs its marketing program for the benefit of the salespeople like me and any of you who share with your friends and get a lower price because of that. Most of my customers are retail buyers. They have a membership price and they simply order and pay the 15% discount on everything they purchase. That's true for the Modere products as well. But for us in the business, this is a very exciting new prospect for us, knowing that our company is so well run that when other companies, because of failure at the top, leave their sales leaders stranded without a solid marketing plan, they come to us. And Dr. Shackley would be so pleased and thrilled to have this new line of products for us to share with everyone else. So my call to you is go on the Shackley website. It's hihohealth.com and log in and take a look at what we have to offer in a new and expanded way. And by the way, the protein drink I talked about last month, is delicious. My first chocolate and vanilla came, and it's so delicious without any sugar. I just can't believe it. I'm so thrilled to have a shake mix that doesn't have any sugar in it and has a tremendous amount of protein. I think it's 20 grams per serving. So I am really, really excited for myself and for all of you. Until we speak, take good care. Be well, do well, and keep moving. Bye-bye for now.